guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're in Bahrain because we're going home, and yeah, we're gonna explore Bahrain because we're staying in Bahrain airport for 9 hours. So we're like, why don't we sneak outside? I'm very loud, of course. So yeah, right now we're outside the airport waiting for a taxi, I believe. And yeah. Now guys, for a quick spoiler alert, this place was way better than I thought. Anyways, in the next clip, what you're about to see is that we bought a taxi for £30, but he promised to show us around the whole of Bahrain. I mean, not the whole, but most of it. And they were just insane. Keep on watching.
This one coming like 3 hours, 30 BD. Better than you go just city center 8 and you come 8. This one 60.
Firstly, you may be wondering how many people actually live here and where it is located. Well, to answer your question, there's a whopping 1.57 million people there. So guys, what we're gonna do is, Uncle Mansoor, shout out to him, he's gonna be taking us around to different places in Bahrain. That's gonna be pretty sick. We're just going past some places. Uncle Mansoor, are we gonna go see the beach?
Yeah, there is like in Bahrain there is 10 interesting beach.
Wow.
Yeah. Manama is capital of Bahrain. Another bridge, other side calling King Hamad Bridge. This is a diplomatic area.
Guys, look how beautiful this mosque is. It's called the Al-Fateh Grand Mosque. Sorry, we couldn't go inside at this time. It was closed for visitors. So basically, in this scene, Uncle Mansoor was supposed to say what that badge is, but he didn't actually give us the right information. And guys, for one more fact, it is located in the Middle East, specifically in the Persian Gulf. It's positioned between Saudi Arabia and Qatar, with Iran to the north. And guys, we're about to arrive at the Bahrain Trade Center. It makes its own energy by those windmills in the middle. Right now, what you're looking at, this is the Bahrain Trade Center. It looks so beautiful. I like the lights. I'm pretty sure those are fans. Those windmills. Wait guys, don't go anywhere yet. Our next destination is the Bahrain Bay. It's like one of the best places I've ever been to. Hello? Hold on guys, we're almost there. Just keep on watching. So guys, we're at the Bahrain Bay now. And this looks so cool. Oh my god, I'm just scared that yeah, you guys know I'm scared of heights. And this is what I call high. Especially if there's water underneath me, I'm scared. Oh, the view is so sick. I'm so tired, I need to relax. I tried my best, guys. But I'm still trying. Bap, bap. Package, so I got these. Looks so good. Haven't eaten in hours because of the flights and stuff. Our next stop is the Bahrain Mall. See you there. Guys, we're at the Bahrain Mall now and we're gonna eat there again. Guys, this is too fancy. Oh my god, never been seen. looks like we're outside, but we're inside. Next, my little sister's gonna try doing the Turkish ice cream.
Thank you. What's your name? Asna. Nice to meet you. Ayıp abla, baba ayıp. Asna abla. Okay. Thank you. Please, nice. Şükran Asna abla. Enjoy. Welcome.
All these restaurants are making me hungry now. Let's see which restaurant we choose. You guessed it, we landed on Cheesecake Factory. I've never been here, so let's see how good it is. The interior is immaculate. So guys, we're at the Cheesecake Factory now, and this is my first time being here. There's no Cheesecake Factories in the UK, so we'll see how good it is. The vibe of this place was to have dim lights, so sorry if the photos and videos don't turn out good, but the whole ambience was amazing. I'm gonna give an honest review. This place's food was amazing, and this cheesecake was just so bussin'. Thanks for watching, guys. Now we're heading back from one island to another. Goodbye Bahrain, hello UK. In the end, I request all of you to subscribe to my auntie, Philosophy and Fatima. I'll put her channel in my description. Also, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers before 2026.